Now we are standing in 2 bedroom of our Liberty Square, and I am currently in the living area of our 2 bedroom. So you can see this is our living area, and we have our dining space also nearby. So it's a big rectangular shape your living and dining area. On the right of my side, we have our master bedroom, which has attached washroom. Okay, and towards my this corner, we have our second bedroom. Here we have our common washroom, and the last corner we have our kitchen available. And then also on the end of this living and dining area, you have your balcony in the back, which means door and balcony are just opposite to each other, which is gonna help you and help in this apartment having a very good air and light ventilation going across. Then this 2 bedroom or even 3 bedroom are designed very well with almost zero floor wastage. So every inch of your floor is being used with us, which means you're gonna have a high value for money product, whether it's a 2 bedroom or a 3 bedroom. And it's very smartly designed. So you can see we have all corners captured in this 2 bedroom, where the one corner is having 1 bedroom, another corner has another bedroom, third corner has your kitchen. So everything has been well utilized. So now I am standing in the master bedroom of our 2 bedroom set. So you can see on the back of we have our entrance door of this master bedroom. Towards my right, we have this washroom, which is attached to this bedroom. And you can see there we have a very good big double-sized bed placed in the bedroom, and you also have a space over here for walk, and here also. So it's spacious bedroom with 10 by 12 size. You also have a wardrobe kept over here, so that is also taken care. And then you have a very big window in front of me, from where you can have a very good view in your bedroom itself, and light and air to pass through into your bedroom. So now we are sitting in the second bedroom of our 2 bedroom set. So see, this 2 bedroom is ideally designed for a young couple having a 1 kid or 2 kid. So like that, I've shown you master bedroom, which has a big double bed. So now this second bedroom, we are assuming has this couple has a 1 bed, and we have put a 1 bed over here, single bed, and we have a covered space over in front of me, and we have a very big window on right side of mine. So this bedroom is spacious enough to accommodate a double bed also, because I told you we designed it like this, so we have put up 1 single bed. And this window, you can see this is a big window with the UPVC material through which you can have your light coming in. So it's a daylight coming in, and it's a very big window, view, air and light to come through. So now I am inside the kitchen of our 2 bedroom set. So see, we have shaped this L-shaped granite slab we have put it. We also have very good stainless steel of Jaguar over here. Your cooking top is there. So this very well modernly designed kitchen you're gonna have in your 2 bedroom set with ample space, so that at least 2 to 3 person can easily stand and move around. So that's how it is. And then you have a very big window over here, because in kitchen also you need a light and air to pass through. So this, you have very big windows over there. That's going to be a plus point for this kitchen. So now let's see how our evenings can be or morning can be. So for that we will step out towards our balcony. And this is our balcony, where you have nicely wooden finished tiles put it, which are anti-skidding. And this balcony is around 4.5 feet wide. So it means you have a big space where you can put your chairs, tables, so that you can sit over here in the evening, in the morning, or any time of the day, and enjoy the beautiful view of the project and beautiful green energy coming into your house and balcony. You can enjoy it from here.